Hey guys, it's JC Chandler back again. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm popping on because I wanted to show you guys something. I had a few questions about the earring blanks that I just loaded onto the website. I was speaking to someone and we were talking about the fact that, you know, I wanted to let her know that this is a variety pack, basically, right? So you get much more than just a few pairs of earrings. You can, if you get multiple sets, you can change these up infinitely. And I thought, let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Just the vision that I had when I posted the blanks for sale. I was like, you know what? I could create with these for weeks. So let me show you what I did. First of all, you guys have seen my video. I did post just a little overview of what I had created. So while I'm sitting here getting ready to package them up, made that one a post back and made this one a post back. I'm getting ready to make them nice and pretty. But before I did that, I wanted to show you what's going on. All right, before I go any further, thank you to everybody that clicks play. Thank you to all the subscribers, and thank you just for sharing, commenting. I've had some lovely comments over the past few days on some of the stuff that I have recently posted, and I thank you guys. I'm hitting 2 years, February 28th. That will mark the 2-year anniversary of this channel, and thank you to you guys, because if you guys didn't show love like you do, I probably would have given up a little while ago. But with all that said, gratitude, that's what I'm feeling right now for all of you guys. So here's what I got. I was trying to figure out, okay, do something different, let's see what we can do. This is how I set up the whole batch, right? I created, this is every single piece in the bundle. Let me just go a little further. Here's the picture of what is on the website. So this is as advertised, right? So you got these combinations that are there, right? And I didn't do it that way. I forgot when I cut these. I was like, uh-oh, I mixed them up, right? So this one I got right. I mean, there's no right or wrong. It's just, how about I got it the same as what's on the website. But this one, okay, so I got that one right. But look at the triangle. See the triangle top there? It's on one of the long ones, so I didn't do it the way it's on the website, and that's fine. And that's why I have it up there. I want you to mix and mingle, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. So let me move these out of the way. Aren't these gorgeous? I'm getting ready to post these to the website. If you like these and you want 1 or 2 or 3, hit me up in the comments or go to the website. You know, a little bit later I'm going to post the website link below. I've been working on some cards too. Like, I had to make some longer. Look at this. Where are they? These are the store-bought ones that I branded, and then these are the ones made out of that I made myself. And the reason is because these earrings are so darn long. One of the reasons why I do not normally create anything bigger than 2.5 inches for earrings, but I had to make my own earring cards for these to fit. Surprise, surprise. All right, so let me move this. Under here is all the combinations of the shapes that I could think of. Now, I'm not gonna talk about the fact that you can do these. We know what we could do with these, right? So these are individual, the bottoms are the individual pairs. Let's talk about what all you get with the tops. If you buy multiple batches, this is a multiple batch remnants. So just show you what you can do here. So you got the 3 pieces. That's an option. Look at all these options, right? Totally different sets of earrings from the same set of 24, right? So again, this is from multiple sets. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 different styles, in addition to the first initial styles. And I can't wait to play with these. Now these are smaller. They're almost the same length, right? But they're smaller, like the inside of that one. So all of these are gonna come up to about, I don't know, 1.5 inches long. These, most of them, 1.5 to 2 inches long. And then the shorter ones are probably about 1 inch, right? I just wanted to show you. I don't know. I'm just excited. Maybe I'm just too excited and I'm the only one. But I see so much potential for this set of earring blanks, and I'm gonna have to take a picture of what I have here. And you know, I have more that I was playing around with. I was like, I'm gonna try and create something from every combination. And this is what I came up with. I tried not to repeat. I hope I didn't repeat. But all of this is multiple sets, just so you know. It's not from this one set, but the opportunity is there. So keep an eye out, because I'm gonna create, I'm probably just gonna do 1 earring so you can see. I'm not gonna do a pair. We'll see, depending on how good they come out. And then we're gonna go ahead and play around with what we can do with each one of these. You know, I wish I had treated the wood before I cut it, like maybe painted it before I cut it. But then I probably been stuck to which piece can go with which piece. But this is what I want to show you. A couple of sets of this. They're $15.99. I was gonna sell them for $20, but they're $15.99 or $15, I think, for 24 pieces and the multiple options. So I don't know. I just wanted to tell you guys. I had a conversation with someone and they were asking, you know, what all did I do? I said, well, I'm still playing, you know, still playing around with the combinations. And while I was thinking about it and packaging this up, I said, let me see how many combinations I can get just using this same set, you know, multiple sets of this earring blank, 24 pieces. So all right guys, I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it. Just let me know if you know, thought this was helpful. Keep in mind, I have several others, at least 2 right now, sets that are coming over the next couple of weeks that are the same kind of idea, right? Interchangeable pieces with 1 purchase, 1 set of earring blanks, or you get 2 sets and then it's endless. All right, anyway, to be continued. All of these will make a appearance in some form or another. All right guys, I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you're creating something amazing. Enjoy your day. I'll see you soon. Bye.